Hey guys, this is Brian with This Is Our Home, and today I bought a Milwaukee Framing Nailer, and what we're going to do today is we're going to open it, and I'm going to show you guys the contents of the box. Yeah, so let's get right into it. Now, just as a little disclaimer, just so you guys know, this is my very first framing nailer, so I am by no means a professional with these things. I'm just going to show you guys the contents of the box and basically what comes with it. So this is the pneumatic version. So yeah, let's open it. So it looks like it came with a couple different Allen wrenches, different sizes here. It's got a tube of, looks like some oil. You got the manual, comes in it. And here we got the framing nailer. And this takes 2-inch to 3.5-inch nails. Looks like the belt loop swivels, which is kind of nice. Let's see if there's anything else in here. And that's it. So, looks like we have the framing nailer. You got a tube of oil, a couple different size Allen wrenches, and the manual. And just to read off the back of the box some of the features of this thing. Ultra lightweight magnesium, let me get in focus here. Ultra lightweight magnesium housing minimizes fatigue. Selectable trigger settings for sequential or contact actuation. Tool-free depth of drive adjustment reduces overdriving nails. You got rear loading magazine with bypass pusher, allows for quick reloading and unloading. Self-cleaning air filter extends the tool life by preventing dirt and debris from entering the tool. You got dry fire lockout, indicates when nail level is low. Adjustable exhaust deflector directs exhaust away from the user. And here's some of the specs. Nail size 2-inch to 3.5-inch. And then you got the diameter size there. Coalition angle. Magazine capacity 64 to 72 nails. PSI requirements. You got the inlet size, you got the length, width, and height. 7.4 pounds. It's a pretty heavy nailer in comparison to some of the others. You got 5-year warranty from the factory, which is kind of nice. Thank you for watching the unboxing video. In the future I will be doing a review of this product. Check the link in the description if you're curious about purchasing the product. I'll put a link down there for Amazon. We bought it at Home Depot. I'll put a link for Home Depot as well. Yeah, so I'll see you guys in the next video.